Here with another live video that's titled How to Find the Best Stock Ideas at the Consumer Electronics Show 2021. As you know, if you follow me, I've been going to this event for, I think, over 8 years now, and it's amazing. There's 4,500 companies that usually report there. Now it's only 2,000 because it's all digital. I have to tell you, I have media access, which gives me special access to the presentations today. And it's hard to watch this stuff. I mean, a lot of it is pre-taped, and they're just reading. Sony was really good towards the end of the day. But tomorrow, hopefully, we get a little bit more excitement. Nothing crazy. But I did want to highlight some of the key trends, because this is where I usually start when I go there. I usually go there for the full week at a time, have media access, go to booths, and show all kinds of videos. But these are big trends, right? So digital health, kind of fragmented industry. Yes, it's growing fast. Digital transformations, kind of like, as vague as can be. We all know about vehicle technology. A lot of these stocks have gone up. 5G connectivity is not here yet. The guy from Verizon, the CEO from Verizon, is going to speak and tell you how 5G is the greatest thing ever, even though it's not coming for another 2 years. Their 5G connection on Verizon is slower than their LTE right now, but that's okay. Everybody loves 5G. These are the two trends: smart cities, robotics, and drones. And let's go there now. So they talk about all hard things and modern. This is coming from their research, the top research, the director of research at CES, telling you about, all these trends. But robots to rescue, COVID-19, maintaining hygiene, as you can see, robotic innovation. This is surprising. I mean, I've been following this trend for a long time, robotics, but this year COVID accelerated it, and you're seeing a lot more adoption. So I didn't expect this to be a big trend, but it actually is. And there's a lot of individual companies, even with drones and manufacturers and stuff. Autonomous delivery is getting bigger and bigger, right? So you're seeing, and not only that, it's more favorable, right? Autonomous delivery systems. Like, people used to be like, I don't know, it's crazy. But now look, like, it's getting adopted at 26%. 25%, 26%. So flying drones used for delivery, that's important, right? So it's kind of saying that people do want it. That's part of the scaling proportion, right? So you need people to want it and people get excited about it, just like people are finally getting excited about Bitcoin, and you're seeing that transformation where more institutions are actually starting to invest in it. Now, let's get into, this is transportation. And there's a Verizon say he's going to go on tomorrow, Hans, and say, hey, you know what, 5G, it's not here. He's not going to say that, but it's not even here. But anyway, that's going to be a big presentation. He's doing that tonight at 6:30 in about 45 minutes, which I have access to. But smart cities, out of crisis comes opportunity. Just a lot of technology here. You look at sensors, kiosks, data dashboards, a lot of companies within this. But here's what I really like: smarter, safer buildings. Touchless, voice-enabled tech, clean air services, remote collaboration. This is a huge trend, and it's going to be accelerated now with the Biden administration, where you're looking at tax cuts for environmental companies, wind, solar. I mean, environmental companies have been going through the roof, but there's a lot of plays within this, because you're going to see a lot of these buildings become smarter. Hopefully the left doesn't get their way and they tear down every single building in every single state or major city and then rebuild them. That's not going to happen, hopefully. But you're going to see these guys become more smarter. They're going to install more systems, more technology, more software. There's a lot of individual names that I like in this space. And yeah, that's it right now for the CES. I'm going to be posting all week, telling you my favorite ideas. Definitely take a look at Wall Street Unplugged, which is on Wednesday. I'll be covering a lot of this stuff and sharing some ideas. And if you are a Curzio Research Advisory member, you are going to get your pick on Wednesday. And it has a lot to do with, well, one of the trends that I talked about today. And this is one of the best companies, and it's not that expensive. Trading market multiple, growing much, much faster than the overall market. Love what they're doing. Really, really excited with the technology, and kind of under the radar. No one's really talk about this name. So, as always, I'll report back to you guys soon. Be sure to view us on our YouTube page, a Curzio Research YouTube page, and subscribe to it, where we're taping all of our podcasts and doing lots and lots of videos. So I want to hear your feedback on that. FrankCurzioResearch.com. As always, I'll put you back to you guys soon. Take care.